So Seedream 4 just dropped, and it has completely wiped the floor with Nano Banana. And today I'm going to show you the official way to use it for completely free. But first, let's look at why Seedream 4 has completely destroyed Nano Banana. The main thing here is that Seedream 4 can edit and generate images in 4K quality, whereas the quality of Nano Banana is not really that high. Also, Seedream 4 is an image creating model, not just an image editing model, so it can create really good images with consistent characters and correct text. Another good thing about Seedream 4 is that it does not have a stupid AI symbol like Gemini. If you create any image with Nano Banana, there will be a symbol that makes it really hard to use in any AI video because it looks ugly and becomes distorted when you create a video from your image. So these are the reasons why Seedream 4 is vastly superior to Nano Banana. Now let's look at how to use it completely free. To use Seedream 4, you are going to type LM Arena in your search box and then click the first link that pops up. When you enter the website, you are going to see something like this. On this website, people usually come here to test different AI models and rank them to see which is the best. Now to use Seedream 4 here, click on the button called Battle. After you click this button, you will see three options: Battle, Side-by-Side Comparison, and Direct Chat. You need to click the Direct Chat option. After you click Direct Chat, you're going to click the button called Generate Images. When you click this, you can select from a variety of different image generators. From here, select the image generator called Seedream 4. Just click the Seedream 4 model, and now you can continue to create and edit images with this model for completely free. Now let me show you some of its most wild use cases that I think you will find really useful. The first use case I want to show is that if you upload a really low quality image, like this low quality cat, and then give the prompt, creatively, upscale cat to 32K, super resolution, natural lighting, ultra fine, natural skin, natural hair, fur, scene details, realistic details, incredible lifelike imagery, social media photo. It is going to upscale your image. So let's see whether the AI model is successful in doing so. Now the Seedream model is really fast. It only takes around 30 to 40 seconds to generate an image. And this is the image that Seedream 4 has generated. As you can see, the image I provided was disgustingly low resolution. But from that image, Seedream was able to generate something like this. And as you can see, the quality is just insane. Everything looks consistent and fine. Now you might think that this is just a fluke, or I have cherry-picked one example. So let me show you another example of this upscaling method. I'm going to upload a picture of a boot and then copy this prompt. You don't even have to describe all these things. I am going to delete most of the prompt and also delete the word cat. So the prompt I am giving this AI model is just creatively upscale to 32K super resolution. Let's see what Seedream 4 creates. As you can see, the Seedream 4 model was successfully able to upscale this image from this to this. The upscaling quality of this image is really good. As you can see, the suit looks super realistic and the boot is really great. It even upscaled the people in the back and added a portrait filter so this boot is in focus and everything else is slightly blurred out. This was really good, and there is also no stupid AI watermark. Now I'm going to add another screenshot of this little creature, and I'm going to ask 5 high-resolution variations of this reference image. This prompt is basically going to create different pictures of this beaver from different camera angles, and it is going to keep the character consistent, which is really hard to do. Nano Banana can keep the character consistent, but it cannot do so with many different angles. But this time the image model failed. It kept the first image and thought that I also meant it should keep the first image in the generated result. But the two images it generated of the beaver are quite cool. To fix this issue, you just need to create another direct chat with Seedream 4. Then all the data you provided before will be gone, so you can start fresh. I'm going to do the same with this image of a woman. So this time the prompt that I'm giving to the AI model is 4 high-resolution variations of this reference image, different camera angles. I specifically want the AI model to create the same image but in different styles. This is the image that the AI model has generated. As you can see, the character is consistent across the 4 images, and it has done a different camera angle for each image. The first image is an upside down view, the The second image is just a copy of the one I provided. The third image is a different camera angle, and I have to say it looks really cool. The fourth image is also another different camera angle, and it also looks really cool. This was a success for Seedream 4. Another thing this model is really good at is colorizing your picture. I am uploading a picture of a manga, and I'm going to ask the AI model to colorize this image. Let's see what kind of image the AI model creates. As you can see, the model was successfully able to colorize this manga. Given that the image is super high quality, this image looks really beautiful. I will say that this is professional level color grading. This scene alone is really cool, and nothing here is distorted at all. Now I'm going to show you its ability to natively generate images. The first thing I want to show you is that if you paste this code, it is going to create different hyper-realistic images. Those images are going to be really cool. I will give this secret code to you in the description so you can copy it down there. For this specific code, this time the model has generated an image of a forest. I will give this code again and see what kind of image the AI model generates this time. I have to say the image is super realistic, and if I did not know it was generated by AI, I would not have been able to guess. This time it slightly changed the image to add a little bird. This is just a cool feature. Now let's go on to the real test. I'm going to ask it to create something with a lot of text. I'm going to ask the AI model, create a cooking card giving step-by-step instructions for creating an omelette. Let's see what kind of image it generates. This is the image that the AI model has created. First, it has written omelette making guide, and the text is correct. For the first step, it has written crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon milk and a pinch of salt, whisk until smooth. Step 2, heat 1 tablespoon butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Step 3, pour the egg mixture into the pan and spread evenly. You can pause the video and read all these tips, and they are correct. The images are quite something. They are not that good, also not that bad. They are definitely not incorrect. The text is absolutely beautiful. I really like the font it picked and how it used deeper and lighter colors for the text to make this image really beautiful. This model is just great. So that's about it for the video. See you in the next one.